Hey everyone, we have an exciting unboxing for you. We're proud to showcase the result of a powerful collaboration between trusted partners. This unboxing represents more than just a product. It reflects the strength of our supplier network, a shared commitment to excellence, and the seamless integration of expertise across every stage of development. From packaging to presentation, what you'll see here is the outcome of aligned values, rigorous standards, and a partnership built on trust. Today, we will be unboxing the Motor Control Evaluation Kit from Nexperia, featuring Wurth Elektronik components. Before we dive in and see what makes this product special, let's talk a bit about the partnership. In a world driven by innovation, speed, and complexity, one thing is clear: no component stands alone. Semiconductors may be the brain of modern electronics, but without the right passive components, they can't function at their full potential. Together, we're not just building components, we're building ecosystems, enabling smarter, faster, and more efficient solutions for every industry. First, let's take a look at the packaging. Minimal, bold, intentional. This is more than packaging. This is presence. A matte black finish, smooth to the touch. Edges that speak precision. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. At first glance, the presentation is clean, organised, and intended. Protected by precision cut foam, the Motor Control Evaluation Kit sits securely, every component positioned with care. What immediately stands out is the attention to detail. From solder points to the silkscreen labels, every element reflects high-quality engineering and rigorous quality control. It's more than circuitry, it's capability, innovation, and partnership, laid out in a single, well-designed board. Let's take a closer look at the Nexperia Motor Control Evaluation Kit and Wurth Elektronik components. From the layout to the materials, it's clear that these boards have been engineered with precision in mind. The boards reflect high standards of design and build quality, purpose-built for performance, reliability, and ease of use in development environments. Wurth Elektronik supply various passive components for Nexperia's Motor Control Evaluation Kit. Components chosen for superior technical performance, reliability, and design support, ideal for motor control applications. It offers low material, tight tolerances, and high saturation behaviour compared to other manufacturers in the market. Wurth Elektronik offers vibration-resistant solutions for all SMD, aluminium electrolytic capacitors, and hybrid polymer capacitors. A key advantage is the availability of lifetime calculations for capacitors through the Red Expert simulation tool. In today's unboxing, we've explored more than just an evaluation board. We've experienced the result of precise engineering, clean design, and a supply chain built on trust. From package to final layout, every detail has been carefully crafted to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. This board is not just a development tool, it's a platform for progress, enabling engineers and innovators to move from prototype to production with confidence. We thank our partners for their collaboration and commitment, and we look forward to what comes next together. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can find all the products featured and the links in the description. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content.